RefWorks, Importing Article Citations. RefWorks lets you gather, store, and organize references online. Plus, it will create bibliographies in the citation style you need. In short, it's a huge time saver. Importing citations into RefWorks can sometimes be challenging, though. This tutorial will look at how to export citations from 4 databases: ERIC via EBSCO, Education Full Text, Education Research Complete, and Research Starters Education. The good news is that all 4 of these databases are from a single provider called EBSCO. This means how you export citations to RefWorks will be the same for all of them. First, run your search. We'll look for articles on educational leadership and social justice. Save your articles to a folder as you are compiling your research. You can do this from the results page by clicking on the Add to Folder link, or from within the individual article record. Click on the folder icon at the top of the screen to see a list of your saved articles. Select the titles you would like to export, and click on the Export icon. RefWorks is the default export function. Click Save. If you've already signed into RefWorks, the citations will be imported automatically. If not, the RefWorks sign-in page will open, and the citations will be imported after you've logged in. Caution: if you have a pop-up blocker, this may prevent RefWorks from opening. Temporarily disable the pop-up blocker in your browser to avoid this. The first screen you'll see in RefWorks is labeled Import References. To see the citations you just imported, go down to the bottom right and click the View Last Imported Folder button. Now you'll see the citations you just sent to RefWorks from the database. You can place these citations into folders and include them in your bibliography. Watch the RefWorks Creating Folders and the RefWorks Creating Bibliographies videos to see how. We'd like to hear your comments about this tutorial. To provide feedback, click OK. Otherwise, click Not Now to see the credits and exit the tutorial.